If you are planning to buy a premium compact drone anytime soon, you may want to hold off for just a little longer because the drone market appears to be on the verge of a major transformation. Over the past few years, compact drones have become dramatically more capable, but new leaks surrounding DJI's upcoming lightweight flagship suggest that another major leap forward is approaching. According to multiple supply chain rumors and regulatory tracking reports, DJI is reportedly preparing what could become its most advanced ultra-portable drone yet, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the details emerging behind closed doors paint a picture of a drone that could significantly reshape expectations for sub-250-gram flight. DJI already changed the game with the previous Mini generation by proving that professional-looking aerial footage no longer required a bulky, heavy aircraft. Creators, travelers, and hobbyists gained access to premium imaging technology without needing to carry oversized gear or deal with complicated regulations. However, the rumored Mini 6 Pro reportedly aims to push the boundaries even further by addressing some of the biggest limitations of compact drones, while introducing technology usually reserved for high-end cinema aircraft. One of the biggest rumored upgrade centers around image quality. Small drones have traditionally struggled in low-light environments due to sensor limitations and restricted dynamic range. Previous models made substantial progress with larger sensors, but leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro could feature a true 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor paired with a mechanical variable aperture system ranging from f1.7 to f11. If accurate, this would represent a huge engineering breakthrough for a drone designed to stay under the critical 249-gram limit required to bypass registration restrictions in many countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, and much of Europe. For content creators, a mechanical variable aperture could dramatically improve shooting flexibility. Instead of landing the drone every time lighting conditions change to swap ND filters, pilots may finally gain full control over exposure settings directly from the controller while remaining airborne. This would make filming smoother, faster, and far more convenient during fast-changing weather or golden hour shoots. Video performance also appears set for a major boost. Reports suggest DJI may introduce native 6K recording at up to 30 frames per second, alongside ultra-smooth 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second. Combined with a next-generation image processing system powered by local AI tone mapping, the drone could reportedly handle harsh sunlight and deep shadows simultaneously with improved precision. For filmmakers shooting real estate, landscapes, travel content, or action sports, this could translate into significantly better color accuracy and improved flexibility during editing, especially with a rumored 10-bit D-Log profile. To fit all of this technology inside such a compact frame without exceeding weight limits, DJI is reportedly redesigning the drone's structure using high-modulus carbon fiber composite materials. This lighter but stronger internal construction could improve rigidity while enhancing impact resistance. The reduced weight may also create room for more advanced obstacle detection systems. Perhaps the most exciting rumor involves a new 360-degree nightscape LiDAR system. Traditional optical obstacle sensors often struggle in dark environments, but LiDAR technology works by firing invisible laser pulses to map surroundings in real time. This could allow the drone to safely navigate forests, buildings, and difficult terrain even in low-light situations. Combined with an upgraded AI subject tracking engine, the Mini 6 Pro may reportedly predict cinematic camera movements automatically, delivering smooth, professional-looking footage without requiring expert flying skills. Connectivity may also receive a serious overhaul. Leaks point toward DJI introducing the O5 transmission system with possible cellular-assisted connectivity for stronger signal stability in crowded urban areas. Battery life could reportedly stretch to 42 minutes on the standard pack and up to 60 minutes on an upgraded version for professional users. While official confirmation remains absent, current industry speculation points toward an announcement sometime in early 2027, with expected pricing beginning around $899 for the base model and potentially exceeding $1,200 for premium bundles. If even half of these rumored features become reality, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could redefine what creators expect from compact drones.